Rope crunch. The main muscles used are the abdominals. To perform this exercise correctly, grab the rope with an overhand grip and kneel on an exercise mat or foam pad a few feet away from the cable machine. Pull the rope handles so that your hands are at the top of your head. Begin with back flat, neutral spine. Initiate the movement by contracting your abs and rolling down the spine. With control, extend back to neutral spine. Avoid using your hip flexors instead of your abs to pull the weight down. Avoid using momentum or going too heavy with the weight.